Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to review the new line from Maui Hair Care. So let's get in and let's get into the review. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is going to be like a two-parter, not for you guys, but a two-parter for me. I actually got this Maui box from Influencer. So first, if you don't know, last year I started my curly hair transition where I stopped putting heat on my hair, start straightening it out so that it can just go back to its natural curly hair form. So Maui Moisture is actually one of the lines that I've been using coincidentally, and I've been loving it. But this is like a new vegan hair care line that they've come out with. And if you don't know, Influencer is an app that I use and some people use too to give reviews on different products. And if you haven't, go check out my video on how to get free products from Influencer, because that is how I got today's box. But I wanted to share with you guys what came in this box before I actually go try this out after I'm done with this video. Just give you guys a perspective. If you're looking for like a vegan hairline or hair care line, or just natural products that you may want to be interested in trying if you have curly hair, or if you're just looking for paraben-free, silicone-free products, this can be the video for you. So if you've tried Maui Hair Care, let me know in the Maui Moisture, let me know in the comment section below what has been your experience. I've used the conditioner myself and it's been really good for me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. So if you ever get a box from Influencer, the box, it doesn't look like this, but this was a pretty big box. I've gotten Drunk Elephant products before, so those have been super great. And then they gave you like a little thing there of what's in it. It just says Maui Moisture, vegan hair care, aloe as first ingredient, flake-free, crunch-free, no drying alcohols, define moisture hair curls, and vegan formula. Now, everyone who has curly hair has a different preference. I don't like when my hair has crunch. I like soft curls. So this is right up my alley. All right, so the first thing let me just show you guys what it looks like. It has like the Maui Moisture tissue too, so it's super cute. So the first thing I have here is coconut milk weightless oil mist for dry hair. It says creamy coconut, light guava extract, wholesome mango butter, silicone free. So that is what that looks like there. Let me see if I can let me see, hold on. It kind of has like a mango-y, buttery, it does have a mango-y, not really, I guess you can say it's a mixture of coconut. It's light coconut, but you do smell that mango within it. So that smells really good. And you kind of don't want a product to be in your hair all day if it stinks. So that's just one thing. And then the next thing we have here is this. Now I've been using a mousse by Not Your Mother's Milk. Wait, Not Your Mother's. Not Your Mother's. I'm thinking of milk because it's just the product. But Not Your Mother's, and it's a mousse, which I've been loving. So this is kind of similar. I can see the top has like the similar pump. So here it says flexible hold, coconut milk curl foam mousse for dry curly hair, softens, defines, volumizes, vegan hair care, paraben and silicone free. So like I said, if you're looking for those type of products, which a lot of curly hair girls try to stay away from paraben and silicone, then this would be for you. And just to give you guys an idea of how usually these mousses come out, just to show you, that is usually what it looks like. And I'm trying to think of what I smell. Hold on. A little bit of coconut. I'm gonna really fully use this tonight when I wash my hair. It's not strong, but it smells fresh basically, and that's the kind of it's a little bit of coconut is what I smell, but you do smell coconut within it, so not bad. And then the last but not least, and these are all full-size products, so like I said, if you don't have Influencer, go check out my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, go check out that video on how to get free products from Influencer, because that's all I've gotten is from Influencer, is free full-size products. So the next thing we have here is Maui Moisture hair styling. This is vegan hair care. This is curl quench coconut oil ultra hold For thick curly hair, define, moisturizes, revives. Let me see anything else. No, that's it. Okay, so if you have curly hair, normally a product like this is like jelly, is usually what it looks like. And it does have like a light, it's not really, I'm trying to think, not really coconut. It kind of smells coconutty and fruity, and you see that jelly there. Now, the reason why you want that jelly consistency is I am not a curly hair expert, but the reason why you want that is so that your hair, it doesn't dry out your hair. Because normally with gel, it's like weird, but you kind of want like that jelly consistency if you don't have like the thick hair, because this will help you keep your curls straight, curly, so that it doesn't make your hair crunchy. So depends on your hair. It says it's for thick curly hair. Depending on your hair, you kind of, like something like this I would use after I washed my hair fully, like on my wash days, like after this video. And that's something that if it's for thick hair, it depends. You have to kind of play around with that product. You may have to put this a little as you go, a little at a time, or you may need a lot. It kind of depends on how much curly you need your hair to be. So we will see when I come back to this video and give you guys a green thumbs up or a mad thumbs up to see if this actually helped. So I'm definitely going to use this after this video to see if it was worth it and what my opinions are. So stay tuned. And in the meantime, I know you're going to come back, but definitely go check out my book YouTube channel, which will also be on the description box below. You can read a book while I am actually washing my hair, just to give you guys something to do if you love books. I'm going to start doing book reviews over there. So with that being said, you guys enjoy, and we'll be back with our review. All right, guys, so we are back with my review. So I have all the products here, and I just wanted to go through them really quickly so that I can give you guys my opinions on all of these. So we had, so if you saw that I went through the products, and I wanted to give you guys more of a description of them, just to recap, because I'm actually back, even though the first part of this video was recorded a week ago. So we have the Curl Quench Coconut Oil Ultra Hold from Maui. So you see that there. We actually have Maui Moisture Flexible Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. And then last but not least, we have the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist. So the way that I use this product is, if I didn't mention earlier, because I don't recall, I've been transitioning into my actual natural curls for the last year now. So if you watched any of the videos from last August during the summer, my curls weren't exactly this curly. So we've been transitioning and trimming every couple of months just to get that the heat process here out of my system, I guess you can say. So we're back to our natural curls. So normally what I do is, everyone is different. Normally on wash day, which I wash with shampoo and conditioner fully, like I have a whole deep conditioner routine that I do that once a week. And I'll do like a co-wash in between if I need to. This week, I haven't actually been able to do a co-wash during the week, which is so weird. And I'm kind of rethinking that whole co-wash thing, but I'm not too sure. I'll see what happens next week. I'm going to give it a try next week again, just to see how my hair performs after not doing a co-wash in between. Because this week I had like a training that I had to go to, and I didn't want to come back to video with my hair all soaking wet, looking type weird, because we were on camera the whole time. So it was like, I'm not going to do it this week. So it's kind of weird because my hair is actually more fluffier than what it normally would be if I did a co-wash. So I'm kind of rethinking the co-wash routine at this point. And I don't follow any routine specific. Like, I'm not married to the curly girl method. I'm trying to figure out what routine works best for my hair, my curly hair. All right, so what I did was on wash day, which was a week ago, last Sunday, and what I did that day is I started off with brushing my hair out with a Denman brush, just to get any tangles or kinks out of my hair, just to make sure it's full, it's clean. And then I put leave-in conditioner just to give it that moisture. then what I did is I actually, this week I didn't actually do a diffuser. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I tend not to because it's time consuming for me. I like to just do my hair and just walk out the door if I had to, or I just like to go about my business, because usually when on my wash days, the next day I have to actually go to work. So that's kind of why I'm like, I don't have time. I want to relax, just wash this hair and just keep it moving. All right, so I put the curly, what is this? The coconut oil ultra hold gel. So I did that on Sunday. So that was the first product that I used. And then I put a little, I actually didn't put this on wash day. This was actually what I used to refresh my hair. Because that's just what I chose to do this week. But I did on wash day, at the end of the night, I actually used the coconut oil so that, because I don't like my hair crunchy, and I wasn't too sure if the gel was gonna make it crunchy. I like soft curls or like a light hold. I don't like an ultra hold or anything like that. And I'm trying to think, this is ultra hold, but it's not crunchy. Like, your hair is not crunchy. It doesn't feel awful at all. And it's not saying that when your hair is crunchy, it feels awful. I just don't like that feeling on my hair. I like a light hold. So I used this that night on wash day, just in case my hair dried and felt crunchy. I kind of want to get rid of any crunch at all. So I use these two actually every day. I actually use this today just one more time to give you guys an idea, and still I feel like a light hold to it. And I use this when I think I needed more curl in my hair. Like, I would lightly sprinkle with water just to give it some moisture again, and then use this. But it doesn't leave, like the ultra gel does not leave your hair crunchy at all. This right here, if you need a refresh, like if you just need a product that's going to refresh your hair, this one would be the product I would say I would definitely recommend. But these two in combination, I would definitely recommend to refresh your hair, because this gives it that refresh and a light hold, but this takes away that crunch, so it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. So if you're looking, like, even if you go on any website and you look online to the reviews, when you look at this specific product, let me see which one it is. I think it's the Mousse. Hold on. Yeah, this is the Mousse. This says no crunch definition. It specifically is for people like me who hate crunches. And actually on this product, it gets a 4.7 out of 5. So you guys don't have to take my word on it. And I like to give you guys other reviews just to give you guys an idea of what other people are saying. So one person gave it a 5 out of 5. It says curly hair approved, but like I said, I don't follow that method. But if you are following the curly girl routine, curly girl hair routine, then this is a product that you definitely. All of the Maui moisture products, I believe they are curly girl approved. Another one says most helpful negative review. I guess she said it was just men. Another person says 5 out of 5, curly girl approved. Another person said 5 out of 5, love it so much. Another person said 5 out of 5, beautiful curls. Another person said 5 out of 5, excuse me, pretty great product. Another person says so great for curly hair. Let me see. I'll go into one of these reviews just to give you guys an idea. And this is just going straight down on reviews. It says, I use this coconut oil, this coconut curl milk mousse on freshly washed damp hair. I use as directed and dispense into palm. And I'll show you guys what the products look like here, just in case. It says my dry curly hair was left so moisturized, it felt so soft. And that's kind of what I was going with, because that's how I was able to use this on the refresh days when I needed to. I kind of use this every day just to see what it would do if I needed to refresh my hair every day. Which what I normally do is I'll put leave-in conditioner at night, just so that overnight it gets that moisture, and then in the morning it's not so dry. So I kind of sometimes don't need to refresh my hair that morning, but sometimes I do. I just wanted to see what would happen if I use this every day. I use this one more so every day than the oil, because I didn't see that I needed any oil to make it shiny at all. So that one I would say I probably used every other day, but this bad boy I use every other day, because I kind of wanted to give you guys like a real review of being used every day if you had to. Oh, and another thing, if you're looking for vegan products, this is actually vegan as well. And it says also silicone free. So the smell is amazing. The smell is straight up coconut. Now, if you don't like the smell of coconut, that's okay, because the smell of coconut is not overpowering. You initially smell it lightly when you put the product on, but it's not overpowering at all. So you're not gonna be like overwhelmed with coconut smell all day. It's very light, and if it was a scent that was overpowering, believe me, my husband would have said, I don't know about that one. So let me just show you guys what the product looks like. So it looks like that. And like I said, it's light, and you can just put it, I usually put it on the ends of my hair just to give it a refresh, because sometimes the hair on the back of your neck kind of doesn't, I don't know, it's like on a minus of its own. It's like 2A curls back here. I don't know. It's like whatever. But, and you can feel the light hold, but it's not crazy. So this definitely gives your hair help and boost. So I don't know, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried any of these products. Like I said, I love them, and I would definitely recommend them. So if you guys have any products, and sometimes on my blog, I don't make videos for every product I use, but I do individual products. So definitely, you have a recommended product that you want me to try and review, definitely let me know in the comment section below, especially those for curly hair. I love reviewing products for curly hair because I have way too many products, but then you can figure out what is good for your hair. So this one I would definitely keep in my hair routine for sure. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, but don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another review. Have a good day, guys.